After first installation, in order to use SeatOn application, basic settings needs to be defined. In this example, it is shown how to perform simple configuration on first install. Configuration is done in SeatOn Web Component, in which all functionalities of SeatOn Clover are available, plus all customization configuration options, customer data management, and various reports. Configuration is done in steps which are shown on left. For business hours, in this example we will use settings in SeatOn. By default, SeatOn will use business hours as defined in your Clover system. Each time business hours are changed, the change will be automatically updated in your SeatOn system as well. However, you can turn off business hours synchronization with Clover and set up different business hours manually. On this page you can set up business hours and non-working days. Moreover, you can define specific time slots when will taking of online reservations be enabled, instead of using business hours. Third step is defining seating options. By defining seating options, you can allow your customers to choose seating preference when making their online reservations, i.e., the preferred location in your restaurant, inside, outside, terrace, etc., in which they want to have their seat. Seating options settings can be found in Settings/Online Reservations/Settings from the side menu of the SeatOn web application, and then clicking on the tab Seating Options. Here is use standard product definition, where products and their duration are determined depending on the time of reservation, e.g. breakfast, lunch, dinner. This is the default product setup for restaurants. This settings impacts on default durations when customer makes reservation. When new reservation is created, the value defined here will be taken as default duration of that event, without need for customer to choose the duration. After this initial setup, SeatOn application is ready to receive reservations. Online public reservation link is already functional and can be shared to customers, for example via web page, Google, or Facebook. Public online reservation link specific to your account is located on Web App Settings page Settings, Online Reservation, Web Page Integration. By opening reservation link, reservation page will be displayed. Reservation process from a guest's perspective is done in 3 or 4 steps, depending on if online reservation fees are enabled or not. Step 1. Customer selects date, number of persons and specific product. Step 2. Collection customer contact data, name, phone number, email and special notes. Step 3. Payment, get credit card information details, only if online reservation fees are enabled. Step 4. Completion, displaying confirmation message and further instructions for the guest.